Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am very happy and I'm going to be sharing with you this good news because the impossible has happened. The biggest Nigerian YouTuber, Editorial Natural Beauty 556, has been remonetized. And I know that few months ago there was a particular YouTuber who came online and was just blabbing, talking about her, that she does this, she does this, she does this, and was so happy that she was demonetized. I don't know why people, Africans especially, should be behaving like that. When you see somebody trying to struggle from the scratch, nobody talks about it. But when you see the person start hammering, start making it, you start envying the person, you start being jealous of the person. I don't know why it should be like that. I am very happy that this young lady has been re-monetized. She has been a very good person. I like her channel very well. She has been giving very educative things on her channel based on one reason or the other, but we don't know what it was. But I see no reason why some YouTuber named Summer Aku like that come out now had to go and dig right from when she started the YouTube, and how she bought the father a car, how she moved into a new apartment. For God's sake, what is your business with what somebody does with her money? She also went as far as saying that she has been on YouTube for about 3, 4, 5 years and she has not been able to get 1 million subscribers, but Editorial Natural Beauty 556, who just started, has been able to get 1.4 million. She was just emphasizing it. Oh, for God's sake, are you having the same stars? Everybody on YouTube are there. You can start today and before you know, your subscribers rises. Your post and whatever effort you make, you're the one doing it. You work for what you post, you work for your money. YouTube knows what is right and what is not right. Not you coming to criticize another person's video, coming to say that what the person is doing is not right, is not this. I tell you, on social media, when you go on social media, there are so many things you see. The one you know that is good for you, you can take it. The one you know is not good for you, my dear, do they force you to do it? Nobody forces you to do anything on social media. Your own is you see. If you feel that what she's doing is educative, you pick it. If you feel that what she's doing is not good for you, please don't criticize her. Your own is not better. So please, when you want to talk as a YouTuber, you should be guided when you come online to talk. Know that people are watching you. People are coming online to view what we are doing as YouTubers. Not you on the other side trying to spoil somebody, coming to pop nose in another person's video, another person's business. For God's sake, Africans, let us change. Let us change for better. We don't like ourselves for any reason. Other parts of the world, they appreciate what their own person is doing. They would even try to make you grow. But in Africa, we are even looking for that person's downfall. So please, I am going to be placing an appeal to we YouTubers, because we are the one making the videos and we want viewers to come and watch us, and those people that have not even joined the YouTube to come and watch, not coming to be dragging as if we are dragging something on YouTube. The people that are even paying the money are there somewhere, paying you on what you work for, how you upload your video, how you can gain your viewers, and you on the other side, you are just there just to be happy that somebody is falling. For God's sake. On my own, I was just wondering, if she had her money and she bought the father a car, as a young girl buying her father a car, what is wrong with it? If you cannot do that for your own family, she is willing to do and even do more for her families. She wants her family to share from what she's getting, provided she's getting it on a good way. She does not go to do money ritual for it. She does it and the whole family knows that this is what she does, that she is a YouTuber, and they are promoting it for her everywhere. So what is your problem if she has 1.4 million? Now, with her 1.4 million, which I know she has been working very hard to get that, you being happy that she was demonetized, while in the other hand, Other people were like consolidating with her, trying to console her, trying to make her know that she should not panic, she should not worry, that that is not the end of her life. And truly, that was not the end of her life, because now, me personally, I am very, 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 very happy that she has been remonetized, and because of the good things she has been doing, not only for her own self. She was not a self-centered person. She makes sure that if you are new and you don't know about YouTube, she publicizes YouTube and make people know about YouTube, make young men, young ladies, old women, old men, people, she tells people about YouTube and wants people to come and share their own knowledge, and also come and a kind of try to upload their own videos and also benefit from YouTube. So now that YouTube has monetized her, what do you want to say? You were not the one doing her videos, you were not the one in the admin, you were not the one in the company, you were not the one in the YouTube, a kind of setup doing this thing, but you were the one publicizing her, making her your thumbnail, trying to like mock her. Please, let us be very, very careful. If you want to make your video, please make your videos. If you want to say something that is meaningful. Make your own video. That does not mean you will not get your viewers. That does not mean you will not get your subscribers. Not coming to tarnish another person or criticize the person's whole efforts. You're thwarting the person's effort. Let it be as if that person is doing rubbish and your own is the best. So this is what I am just going to be placing an appeal to you YouTubers. For those YouTubers who appreciate other people's efforts, long live YouTubers. But for those who do not appreciate other people's effort, I think it's high time we start appreciating other people's effort, because the main people that are there examining people's videos, they examine your videos, see, they have already kept a guidelines on what people should post and what people should not post. So provided she's not doing anything cruelty to life or threat to life or what, don't just come and tarnish another person's image, tarnish the name. You even had to go up to the essence of talking about the person's family. Oh, for God's sake, this was uncalled for. You went as far as digging when she collected her first paid YouTube check. For God's sake, she collected her first paid YouTube check and level changes. Tell me, if you were the one that you were trying to work for something and you were now paid for it, won't you change your level? Your level has to change. So please, let us be guided on what we come online to say to people. Let us be guided on what we come online to use our mouth to say. I think we YouTubers, we have to grow up and know that there is nothing new in YouTube that other people have not posted. What we are doing in YouTube is what other people have posted. The main thing YouTube wants is, don't do a copyright, do your own. Make your own video the way it pleases you. Okay, now tell me, if someone is presenting how to reduce belly fat, and if you have your own way of reducing belly fat, why don't you do your own video? Why do you have to come and say that she using soda kills? Where does soda kill? Where is it saying? You said that you are a nurse. If you are a nurse, how does this soda, that the baking soda, how does it kill somebody? You should define how it kills somebody. Please, let us be very, very careful when we come to tarnish people's image. For Editorial Natural Beauty 556, she's an icon, a role model, and I think not even to a kind of classify, she's a kind-hearted human being, a generous person who is ready to carry everybody along. She's not on the gossip level. She knows her place. And if today God has kept her in a position where she can be feeding other people, I think we should give her an applause, not coming out to criticize her here or not coming out to tarnish another person's name and video. We are all YouTubers. Let us grow and support ourselves by encouraging each other, not coming out to like criticize people. and presently she now has 1.6 million subscribers, even when she was demonetized, which means her channel was still growing. It was not sleeping and it did not collapse. It was still growing. So you see that I'm very happy for her. A very big thumbs up to her. Too much money flowing now on YouTube. So please, if you find my video interesting, please thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and also share my videos with your friends and families. Out there, we are all one. Long live YouTubers. See you guys in my next video. Bye.